Hello students, welcome back. So in our previous video we have completed till question number 7, isn't it? So today we'll start from question number 8 onward. Okay, so let's begin. Question number 8. In each case given below, find the value of angle A. Okay, we are asked to find the value of angle A where A is greater than or equal to 0 degree and less than or equal to 90 degree, which means the value of angle A lies in between 0 degree and 90 degree. Angle A can be 0 degree or greater than 0 degree, or angle A can be 90 degree or lesser than 90 degree, but not more than 90 degree and not less than 0 degree. The value of angle A lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, I hope you got this. Now let's move on. So we have question number 1 of 8 here. Sin 90 minus 3a into cosec 42 degree equals to 1. We are provided with this equation and we are asked to find the value of angle A, isn't it? So let's begin. Or you can do this: sin 90 minus 3a equals to 1 upon, let's cross multiply this cosec 42. It goes to the denominator in the right hand side, isn't it? Cosec 42 goes to the denominator, cosec 42 degree. Or sin 90 minus 3a equals to, cosec theta is the just opposite of sin theta, isn't it? Cosec theta and sin theta are reciprocal of each other, since you know that sin theta equals to 1 upon cosec theta. So if you take cosec theta to the numerator, it becomes sin theta. So here cosec 42, if we take to the numerator, it becomes sin 42 degree. Okay, cosec theta when goes to the numerator becomes sin theta, and theta is 42. Or leaving sin both the sides, okay, we cannot cancel this sign because sin is a trigonometrical identity, so identity cannot be cancelled. So leaving sign from both the sides, we have 90 minus 3a equals to 42, isn't it? Sin, we left it, and just the angle 90 minus 3a equals to 42. Or minus 3a equals to 42 is already in the right hand side, so let us take this plus 90 to the right hand side, minus 90. Or minus 3a equals to 90 minus 42, 10 minus 2 is 8, and this becomes 8, 8 minus 4 is 4. So the sign of greater number comes here, that is minus. Minus and minus can be cancelled. Let me continue this here, okay. 3a equals to 48, which means, or a equals to, you can cross multiply this 3 to the denominator of 48, that is 48 upon 3, isn't it? 3a equals to 48 means 48 upon 3, 3 goes to the denominator in the right hand side. So 3 1s are 3, 3 16s are 48. Or a equals to 16 degree. So we were asked to find the value of a, and the value of a we got is 16 degree, isn't it? Now the value of a should lie in between 0 degree and 90 degree, not less than 0 degree and not greater than 90 degree. Should be less than greater than or equal to 0 degree, less than or equal to 90 degree, isn't it? So the value of a is 16, which lies in between 0 and 90 degree. I hope you got this. Now let's move on to the question number 2 of 8. Okay, question number 2 of 8. This question is very similar to the previous one, question number 1, isn't it? So we have cos 90 minus a into sec 77 degree in the left hand side, and we have 1 in the right hand side. We are provided with this equation and we are asked to find the value of a, and the angle A should lie in between 0 degree and 90 degree, isn't it? So let's begin. Or cos 90 minus a equals to, you cross multiply this sec 77 to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator of 1, isn't it? Sec 77 degree. Okay. Or cos 90 minus a equals to, you know that cos theta and sec theta are reciprocal of each other, isn't it? Cos theta equals to 1 upon sec theta. Cos theta equals to 1 upon sec theta, which means if you take sec theta to the numerator, it becomes cos theta. So this sec 77, theta is 77 here. If you take this sec 77 to the numerator, it becomes cos 77 degree. Cos 77 degree. Okay. Now we cannot cancel cos. Okay. Cos cannot be cancelled because sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec are the trigonometrical identities. So these identities should not be cancelled. We can leave the identity and just write the angles. 90 minus a equals to 77 degree. Okay. Or minus a equals to 77. Let us take this plus 90 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 90. Or minus a equals to 90 is minus and 77 is plus. So let us subtract this. 10 minus 7 is 3 and this becomes 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. So the sign of greater number comes here, minus. This minus and this minus can be cancelled, or a equals to 13 degree, isn't it? So this is the value of a. We were asked to find the value of a, isn't it? So value of a is 13 degree. And 13 degree lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay. I hope you got this. Now let us move on to question number 9. Okay. Question number 1 of 9. We are asked to prove that cos 90 minus theta into cos theta upon cot theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So we are asked to use this left hand side and prove this 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Very easy sum. Let's begin. Left hand side LHS equals to, we have cos 90 minus theta into cos theta upon cot theta, isn't it? This is what we have in the left hand side. So cos 90 minus theta can be written as sin theta, because we know that cos 90 minus theta equals to sin theta. This is the formula, isn't it? Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta into this is cos theta. Okay. Now in the denominator we have cot theta. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Okay. So this means we have sin theta into cos theta in the numerator, sin theta into cos theta. So into, if I write this whole upon into, the number in the denominator goes to the numerator, that is sin theta goes to the numerator, and the number in the numerator comes down to the denominator, that is cos theta, isn't it? So this cos theta and cos theta cancels out. Sin theta into sin theta we have in the numerator now. Sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta, and you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1. This is the formula we have, isn't it? So we need cos square theta. So this means sin square theta equals to 1 is already in the right hand side. Let us take this plus cos square theta. It becomes minus cos square theta, isn't it? So sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So this sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta. So this is what we have in the right hand side, isn't it? Hence proved, RHS. So let's do another question, question number 2. Okay. Of 9, we are asked to prove this equals to 1 minus sin square theta, isn't it? So this question is very similar to the previous one. So let's do this also. LHS equals to, we have sin theta into sin 90 minus theta whole upon cot 90 minus theta. This is what we have in the left hand side. So let's do this. Sin theta we write as it is. Okay. Now sin 90 minus theta means cos theta, isn't it? Cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. This is what the formula says, isn't it? So cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Okay. Let me write the formula here. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, and cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. This is the formula. So sin 90 minus theta is cos theta and cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Okay. So we do the same thing here as usual. Sin theta into cos theta is already in the numerator, and in the denominator we have tan theta, isn't it? Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. This is the formula, okay. So let me continue here. Equals to sin theta and cos theta we copy as it is. Sin theta into cos theta. Now this whole upon, if we change this into multiplication sign, whole upon means divide, isn't it? If we change this into multiplication sign, the number from the denominator goes to the numerator, that is cos theta goes to the numerator, cos theta, upon this sin theta remains in the denominator, sin theta. Okay, now this sin theta and sin theta can be cancelled. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, sin theta and sin theta can be cancelled, and we have cos theta into cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. So we need sin square theta, isn't it? We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So cos square theta means cos square theta equals to 1 is already in the right hand side. Let us take this plus sin square theta, it becomes minus sin square theta. So cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. So instead of this cos square theta, I write 1 minus sin square theta. So this is what we have in the right hand side, hence proved, RHS. Okay, so let's do question number 10. Okay, now let's do question number 10. Evaluate means we are asked to find the value of this. Okay, we are given this expression and we are asked to find the value of this, and this question has been asked in the icse examination 2010. Okay, so this is one of the important questions. Let's do this. This question may repeat, but this question is not that tough, it is very easy. Okay, so we have sine 35 degree. Let's copy this sine 35 degree as it is, sine 35 degree. Cos 55 means 90 minus 35, isn't it? 90 minus 35 gives us 55. This cos is this cos. 90 minus 35 means 55. 10 minus 5 is 5, and this becomes 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, so plus we copy this cos 35 as it is, cos 35 degree, into sine 55 means sine 90 minus 35, isn't it? 90 minus 35 gives us 55 degree. So in the denominator we have cosec square 10 degree, cosec square 10 degree minus tan square 80 degree. So tan square 80 means 90 minus 10. 90 minus 10 gives us 80, isn't it? 90 minus 10 is 80. So we know that cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. We are going to use that formula. Okay, sine 35 degree is already here, we copy as it is, into cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, isn't it? Sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, and theta is how much? 35 degree. Cos 90 minus 35 is sin 35 degree. So plus cos 35 we copy as it is. Here we have sin 90 minus 35, that is sin 90 minus theta, that is cos theta, cos 35. Okay, so in the denominator we have cosec square 10 degree, cosec square 10 degree minus tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, that is cot theta. Theta is 10 degree, but we have square here, so we must put the square as well. So sine is sine 35 into sine 35, same number, isn't it? Sine 35 into sine 35. Suppose this was a into a gives us a square, isn't it? A into a gives us a square. So sine 35 into sine 35 gives us sine square 35. Sine square 35 degree plus cos 35 into cos 35 means cos square 35 degree. Cos square 35 degree. In the denominator we have cosec square theta minus cot square theta. We know the formula, cosec square theta minus cot square theta means 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta means 1, isn't it? So here theta is 10. Please remember, the angle should be same. Okay, if here we have some other angle and here different angle, then cosec square this angle minus cot square another angle is not equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta, angles should be same. If the angles are same, then only cosec square theta minus cot square theta gives us 1. So here we have angle same, tan tan, so we can write cosec square tan minus cot square tan as 1. Okay, are you getting me? I hope so. So in the numerator we have sin square theta plus cos square theta, angles are same, isn't it? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, isn't it? So 35 angles are same, so sin square theta plus cos square theta gives us 1. 1 upon 1. 1 upon 1 means 1, isn't it? Every number has 1 in the denominator, so we need to mention this 1 in the denominator. So the value of this expression is 1. Okay, this is the answer. Now let us go to question number 11. This is question number 11. Evaluate the value of this expression. Okay, evaluate means find the value of this expression. So we are asked to calculate the value of this expression. Let's do this. We have sin square 34 degree plus sin square 56 degree. Let's copy this as it is. Sin square 34 degree plus sin square 56 can be written as 90 minus 34, isn't it? If you subtract 34 from 90, you get 56. 10 minus 4 is 6 and this becomes 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, so plus 2 tan 18 degree, I write as it is. Okay, into tan 70 means tan 90 minus 18. If you subtract 18 from 90, you get 72. This tan is this tan. 90 minus 18 is 72. Okay, minus cot 30. The value of cot 30 is root 3. Okay, the value of cot 30 degrees is root 3, and we have a square here, so we must put a square. So if you do not know the value of the angles, okay, you can check out the playlist. I have already made a separate video for that, to how to calculate the values of different angles of different trigonometrical identities. So you can check out the playlist. So cot 30 degree means root 3, and we have cot square. So we must square this. Okay, so sin square 34 degree plus sin 90 minus theta. This is sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. This is cos theta. Theta is 34. So here we have a square, so we must put a square, plus 2 tan 18 degree into tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So cot theta is 18. Okay, minus root 3 square means 3, isn't it? Root 3 square means 3. Root a square means a. Okay, square of any root number is that number itself. Okay, how does it become? Root a into root a means root under a into a, isn't it? So we can make the pair and take out from the root free, that is a. Okay, this is how we multiply root numbers. Okay, here we have sin square 34 degree plus cos square 34 degree. The angles are same, 34 and 34. So sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1, isn't it? The angles should be same. Here we have 34, and if the angle here is different other than 34, then this would not give us 1. Angles should be same, then only we can write 1. Okay, sin square 34 plus cos square 34 is 1. So plus 2. Now we have tan theta into cot theta, isn't it? So tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal of each other. Tan theta equals to 1 upon cot theta. We know this. So let us cross multiply this. Tan theta into, let's bring this cot theta here, cot theta equals to 1. The product of tan theta and cot theta gives us 1, isn't it? So this plus is this plus, this 2 is this 2. Tan theta into cot theta. Remember, here also the angles would be same. Okay, 18, 18. Tan theta into cot theta means 1 minus, here we have 3. So 1 plus 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 minus, here we have 3. So plus 3 minus 3 is 0, isn't it? So this is the answer for question number 11. Okay, so let's do question number 12 now. Last question from this exercise, exercise 21C, isn't it? Question number 12, evaluate. Evaluate means we are asked to find the value of this expression. Okay, so this question has been asked in the icse examination 2016. So let's do this, one of the important but easy question. So we have here tan 33. So by just looking at it, we can convert this into cosec square theta minus cot square theta form, isn't it? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So let's do this. Cosec square 57 degree minus tan square 33 degree means tan square 33 means 90 minus 57. If you subtract 57 from 90, you get 33, isn't it? So 10 minus 7 is 3 and this becomes 8, 8 minus 5 is 3. So 90 minus 57 is 33. Instead of 33, you can write 90 minus 57. So plus, okay, this plus comes here. Cos 44, I copy as it is, cos 44 degree into cosec 46. Cosec 46. 46 means 90 minus 44, isn't it? If you subtract 44 from 90, you get 46. So this cosec is this cosec. 90 minus 44 is 46. Instead of 46, I can write 90 minus 44. 10 minus 4 is 6 and this becomes 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay. So minus, I have root 2 here, root 2 into cos 45. What is the value of cos 45? Cos 45 means 1 upon root 2. Minus tan 60. What is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3, okay. Tan 60 is root 3. And we have square here, so we must put the square. So cosec square 57 degree minus tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, isn't it? So cot theta is how much? 57. So here we have a square, so we must put a square here, plus cos 44 degree into cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. So let us write sec theta is 44. Okay, minus this root 2 from the denominator and root 2 from the numerator can be cancelled. So minus comes here and this 1 here. Okay, so this is minus root 3 square means root 3 into root 3, 3. Okay, now here we have cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Since the angles are same, 57 and 57, isn't it? If the angles are different, we cannot write 1. Okay, angles must be same. Cosec square 57 minus cot square 57. Angles are same, so cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So plus cos 44 into sec 44. We know that cos theta equals to 1 upon sec theta. Cos theta and sec theta are reciprocal of each other. So let's cross multiply this. Cos theta into, let's bring the sec theta to the numerator in the left hand side. Sec theta equals to, in the right hand side we have 1. Cos theta into sec theta means 1. So here we have angles same, isn't it? Since cos theta and sec theta angles are same, cos theta and sec theta angles are same, so we get the result 1. If the angles are different, the result is not 1. Please keep this in mind. So here we have same angle, cos 44 into sec 44. So cos theta into sec theta, cos theta into sec theta, cos theta into sec theta. This means 1. So minus 1 and minus 3, minus 3. So this minus 1 and plus 1 can be cancelled. This minus 1, this plus 1. Okay, minus 1 plus 1 cancelled. So minus 3 and plus 1, different sign, isn't it? this 3 is negative and 1 is positive, so 3 minus 1 is 2, and the sign of greater number comes, that is minus. So the value of this expression is minus 2. Okay, I hope you got this. This is the answer, and exercise 21C is completed with this question. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected. I'll be uploading more videos like this.